Hello guys, this is SMB Pinas and I'm back again with another box from the 90s, but moving forward, I'm in the 97-98. I couldn't find, well, the last box that I busted was a 95-96, and I had trouble looking for a 96-97 box, and I found this, and it was a pretty good deal, so I bought it for now, 97-98. Fleer Series 2 Hobby. There's a couple inserts you can get here, and I think the series 2, so we are looking for natural born thrillers. I think that's like the highest insert that you can get, something like that. Anyways, here we go. Box number, I don't know if you can see it, doesn't matter. Here we go. I like the box because it's got Grant Hill. Grant Hill is one of my favorite players, along with Michael Jordan, so I was really excited for this box. Let's do that little pop-up thing. Oops. Kind of used to do in the trading card store. Oh shit. You guys can see that? That's pretty awesome. Alright. Pack number 1. So let's go check out the inserts first. You can get a Tiffany Collection 1 in 20, Crystal Collection 1 in 2. These are the parallels. Hobby exclusive insert 1 in 36. Gaudi Greats 1 in 4. Rookie Sensations 1 in 8. Towers of Power 1 in 18.